Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba usaphelayo. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze kulungele-ke laphana-ke cindezeleke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje khipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke iy'ndaba-ke esintshenzelo kulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ongakwenza-ke nje lapho ukuthi ngixhase-ke cindezeleke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona namhlanje-ke MK laphana-ke sibambe i-meeting-ke ne-IFP laphana ngey'nhloso zokuthi-ke babambisane ukuthi-ke baphathe-ke lesifundazwe-ke iKwaZulu Natali-ke fundela-ke lana-ke incwadi ekhishwe i-MK-ke laphana-ke yazisa-ke abalandeli bayo mayelana nale meeting. Ibhaleke kanje: Office of Secretary General, invitation to engage on collusion talks IFP and MK. Dear leadership of IFP party, MK party has identified political ideologies and characteristics that seems to point to some similarities of interest between MK party and IFP party in relations to KwaZulu-Natal. Specifically, these main but not limited issues are: 1. Bringing back dignity to the Zulu Kingdom, kings and izinduna. 2. Fast-tracking service delivery to all our people of KZN and stop corrupt activities that deny them better lives. 3. Cooperates KZN province to be the major economic hub of South Africa. 4. And many more important opportunities that will make KZN the center of attention. Subject to the above pointers, it is warranted that both political parties must prioritize to meet and start engaging in relation to collusions and working together in KZN. We request that a convergence of minds be solicited and we afford each other time and space to engage. I hope the above request is in order. CDE Sithole Ngubane, Secretary General, Umkhonto Wesizwe, President Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma, Chairperson Junior Mokojo, Secretary General Sihle Ngubane, Deputy Secretary General Atazwane, Treasurer General Danisa Zulu, Head of Elections Musi Ntshingila, Spokesperson Dlamulo Ndlela. Lena-ke kuyincwadi-ke ebibhalwe i-MK-ke mayelana-ke nalezi ngxoxo-ke ze-IFP. Lapha nami ngizocela kulapha singene ama-comment section-ke, ungene ama-comment section ufike ubhale sicabangane-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba. Ngabe i-MK kumele yini ihlangane ne-IFP ukuze phela-ke bezophatha-ke i-KZN-ke bobabili-ke. Ubhale sicabangane-ke ona-ke lapho usicazele ibhathini nje usubscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje awukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli kwenza ukwazi ukuthi phela-ke uthole zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintshantshu ngilethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje.